So today the topic is the quick sepsis related organ failure assessment. Here we have to assess basically the three tools. First is the respiratory rate, second is the systolic blood pressure, and third one is the GCS scale. If respiratory rate is greater than 22 per minute, we will give one score. If the systolic blood pressure is less than 100, we will give another one score. And if the GCS is less than 15, we will give the another score. The total score ranges between 1 to 3. Score greater than 2 means the patient is at high risk of having the sepsis and the mortality chances are more here. So early intervention measures are required. And if the score is less than 2, it means still further assessment is required. Why it is important? Because no lab reports are needed here. This is the fast bedside tool which can be used by all nursing officers.